With dozens of apps promising hurricane forecasts and data, which one is truly the best? Let's take an in-depth look at some of the top options available and review their comprehensive features. Hurricane by the Weather Channel. One of the most user-friendly options is Hurricane by the Weather Channel. Their app utilizes the extensive resources of one of the leading weather media brands to deliver easy-to-use storm tracking visuals and information. The clean and simple main screen displays active hurricanes globally with color-coded category details, current wind speeds and direction of movement via forecast tracks. Tap on any storm to access an expanded detail page showing historical best tracks overlaid, forecast cone graphics, current hazards like storm surge zones, and information like formation date, latest advisory and satellite imagery. Additional tabs offer spaghetti plots pulling together numerous forecast models, local radar mosaics, advisories directly from the National Hurricane Center, and an overview of the entire Atlantic East Pacific Basin with all developing areas highlighted. Battery usage is efficient even when left tracking storms overnight. Notifications can be customized to alert on watches, warnings for select locations or any new advisories. Push alerts are timely without inundating the user. Overall, the app strikes an excellent balance of usability while still including advanced features for those seeking deeper storm insights. As an added perk, Weather Channel's radar loop streaming loads much faster than competitors on slower data connections. My Radar Weather Radar and Alerts. For customization, My Radar Weather Radar and Alerts takes hurricane tracking to new levels. Beyond basic tracking is an interface designed for meticulous storm enthusiasts and serious weather hobbyists. An array of adjustable map overlays include customizing track line colors, opacity, adding grid lines and labels, showing, hiding spaghetti plots from multiple models in real time, resizing the forecast cone transparency, and displaying buoy and station data points. Surface plots, vertical cross-sections and water vapor loops enhance analysis. Zooming pinches the cone forecasts to your precise location for ultra-localized predictions. Discussions from meteorologists at the Hurricane Specialist Unit complement the graphics. Customizable push alerts can notify on watches, warnings specifically for rainfall, wind or storm surge. The app's true power lies in its deep adjustability for highly localized tracking down to the neighborhood level. An advanced radar toolkit scans multiple angles and Doppler velocity for those reading clouds. It's undeniably the most tweakable option, though interface complexity may overwhelm casual hurricane trackers seeking a simple overview. NOAA Hurricane by Sartell. As the official app partner of the National Hurricane Center, NOAA Hurricane by Sartell pulls advisories, forecasts and data directly from government modeling. This information is presented in a layout mirroring the responsiveness users expect from government services. Basic graphical cones mimic what the NHC produces operationally and are reliable anchors amid forecast uncertainty. Advanced graphics toggle Gulf of Mexico loop currents, model guidance lines, and forecast error distributions to quantify confidence levels. Current conditions display wind radii, rainfall forecasts out to 7 days, and inundation threat zones. Customizable push notifications can notify on any new watches, warnings, or advisories. Historical storm tracks enhance situational awareness when tracking developing systems. The app stays up to date since it's feeding off the authoritative source. What it lacks in animation it makes up for with credibility of origin. A map view lets users geotag multiple locations to compare forecasts. Secure logins provide mariners and emergency managers with non-public advisories including trouble spots and forecast discussions. My Hurricane Tracker. Unique from the others, My Hurricane Tracker favors data density over interface complexity. Within the app, trackers have instant access to core details for any hurricane from formal names through recorded history. At a glance, current conditions show position, wind speed, pressure, movement, watches, warnings and forecast track, while daily snapshots populate a comprehensive timeline for each storm's lifespan. Robust map features toggle spaghetti plots, infrared satellite imagery, major structures at risk and more. Forecast cone uncertainties come alive through quantified error bars rather than vague graphics. Advanced View enables browsing original advisory text archived from past seasons. Hurricane Archives boast comprehensive best track and forecast data, wind radii estimates, and satellite images cataloged back decades for research-level tracking. Quick access favorite lists and email text sharing capabilities make it a go-to for hurricane briefings. Where this app truly shines is deep diving into climatology and verifying forecast accuracy by effortlessly browsing historical advisories against what actually occurred. Excellent for data reference in both real-time and post-storm analysis. Tropical Tidbits. As an ad-supported free app, Tropical Tidbits attracts meteorology students and experienced storm trackers seeking model intricacy. It opens a virtual atmospheric science lab onto any phone for exploring global models down to the county-level scale. A swipe-to-compare interface overlays spaghetti plots, wind speed probability maps, rainfall forecasts, and other experimental guidance from over 20 meteorological agencies worldwide. Unmatched customizations tweak metrics between knots and mph, overlay grid lines, compare model cycles, and zoom tight on developing disturbances. Vertical cross-section planes slice storms to analyze vapor transport, shear profiles, and stability, invaluable for serious forecasting yet messy for casual users. Overnight tracking relies entirely on constantly auto-updating models rather than simplified graphical aids or simple written outlooks. While unmatched for data immersion, this complexity presents an overwhelming fire hose of information better suited for graduate research centers rather than basic preparedness. But for maximizing model insights in real time, this advanced app leads the field even if not the most user-friendly choice. The best overall hurricane tracking apps. For the majority of users seeking a balance of usability, data depth, and brand reliability, the Weather Channel Hurricane, My Radar Weather Radar and Alerts, and NOAA Hurricane rise to the top. More advanced app Tropical Tidbits best serves experienced meteorologists. Regardless which option is used, staying informed through reliable hurricane tracking applications helps maximize preparedness when these dangerous storms threaten coastal and inland regions each season. New forecast skills like spaghetti plots and probabilistic graphics also quantify uncertainties to avoid potential complacency. Overall, mobile apps greatly enhance modern storm monitoring capabilities.